In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop promotional mail in Microsoft Outlook, 5 minutes. If your inbox is filling up with newsletters and marketing emails you don't need, this quick walkthrough will show you the cleanest way to make them stop using Outlook's built-in unsubscribe feature. We'll keep things simple and safe so you can reduce clutter without missing messages that matter. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Outlook sign-in page. Log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, head straight to your inbox. You'll see it in the left-hand sidebar. If you use focused inbox, check both focused and other so you don't miss the message you want to manage. Now find a promotional email you no longer want to receive. These are typically newsletters, sales alerts, or updates from a company you interacted with in the past. Open the message so it displays in the reading pane. Take a moment to confirm it looks legitimate. Consistent branding, sensible grammar, and a sender you recognize. If anything feels off, avoid clicking links or downloading attachments. Today we're focusing on legitimate promotional messages, not suspicious spam. With the message selected, look for Outlook's unsubscribe option. In Outlook on the web, this usually appears near the top of the message, close to the sender's name, or as a small banner inviting you to unsubscribe. Click unsubscribe. Outlook will send a standardized request to the sender to remove you from their mailing list. In many cases, you'll see a confirmation from Outlook right away. Sometimes you might be taken to the sender's confirmation page where you simply confirm your opt-out. Either way, you're telling that sender to stop marketing emails to your address. A few helpful notes as you go. Unsubscribes can take a little time to process, so you might see one or two more messages before they stop completely. The opt-out applies only to that specific sender, so repeat the same action for any other newsletters you want to leave. If you don't see Outlook's unsubscribe banner, look near the bottom of the email for the sender's own unsubscribe link. Reputable senders include one in the footer. To recap, open Outlook, go to your inbox, select the promotional message you don't want, and click unsubscribe. That's all it takes to reduce inbox noise and keep your attention on messages that matter. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, calmer inbox.